Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gino and today we are taking two classic desserts and combining them into one. We're creating a brownie snowflake cookie. These sugar cookies are transformed into a brownie cookie that tastes just like brownies. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can be reminded of whenever I post a new baking video. Without further ado, let's hop into our ingredients. Alrighty, so for this simple recipe, you will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. You will also need 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter that is softened. You will also need some cookie icing, and last but not least, some sprinkles to decorate our cookies. To get started, you want to place all of your flour into a medium-sized bowl, along with your cocoa, and your salty and your baking powder. Then you just want to whisk all of this together until these ingredients are well combined. I set my other bowl aside, so now we're going to add our 2 sticks of softened butter into a large bowl, along with our sugar. And then we're just going to cream this for a few minutes until it is nice and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you are beating the butter and sugar together, just to ensure that everything is getting blended together. Once your butter and sugar are creamed together, you want to add your 2 eggs. 1 egg at a time. You basically want to add your egg in, beat it until it's well incorporated, add your second egg, and beat it again. Alrighty, so once your egg is well incorporated, you want to add in your vanilla extract, making sure again to scrape down your sides. Once your wet ingredients are all combined, you want to slowly add in your dry ingredients. You want to just do a little bit at a time so that it has time to incorporate. So I like to do about a half a cup at a time, let that blend through, and then add another half a cup and so on and so forth. So our cookie dough is all done, so you just want to take the remainder off your paddle. You don't want to overmix this cookie, so once it comes together and forms a dough, make sure to stop mixing. So now that the cookie dough is ready, we're gonna place it into some plastic wrap. We're gonna mold it into a little rectangle or square, whatever you'd like, and then you're gonna wrap it up. Now we're gonna place it into the fridge for about half an hour to chill. The reason why we're chilling the cookie dough is because we want the butter to be nice and cold. Earlier we had it softened and at room temperature, and now we want it back up to a chilled state so that it cooks evenly in the oven.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, now that our cookies have chilled for 30 minutes, it is time to roll it out and shape it into snowflakes. Alright, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour onto our work surface so that the dough does not stick, and a little bit on our rolling pin as well. Now you want to just unwrap your dough, and this dough smells amazing. It honestly smells like brownies, but we all know this isn't brownie mix. I'm gonna flour the top of our dough as well. Now you want to roll it to about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Alright, so now we're gonna use our snowflake cookie cutter. Cut out our snowflake, wiggle it around a little bit, and out it is. Now this is one of a few different kinds of snowflake cookie cutters that I have. I couldn't find the other two. So I'm just gonna stick with this one, but I think the bigger ones that are a little bit fancier would look really cute with these cookies as well. So our oven has been preheating at 350 degrees. Our cookies are ready, so these are gonna bake for about 6 to 8 minutes. They bake very fast, so make sure to keep an eye on them. And once they start to look a little bit crispy around the edges, they are ready. Okay, Google, set a timer for 6 minutes.
Second timer for 6 minutes. And we're starting now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so our cookies have come out of the oven. I've let them cool off for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now it is time to decorate. So I placed my cookie icing into a piping bag. that is fitted with a number 2 tip. So what I'm going to do now is start at the center, draw a line that goes in each direction. And at this point, you can draw a few lines. Going like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Thank you guys for joining me once again on Frosting Parts. If you'd like to see anything else on the channel, just leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to hit the like button and show some support by hitting the subscribe and the notification bell so that you can be reminded of any other treats and desserts that I may be baking up on the channel. These cookies are really soft. You definitely taste the cocoa and definitely give this recipe a try. I know I always say that at the end of each episode, but this one, definitely do. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you in the next episode.